Carrie Curley. I'm also known as the Practical Sort, and welcome to 2-minute practical tips to get you through your day in a more productive way. Do you have kitchen drawers that are driving you crazy? Well, I have one such drawer in my kitchen, and I've been meaning to organize it for quite some time now, but I just haven't had a chance, so I figured today is the perfect opportunity. I like my drawers laid out in a way that's logical and efficient so that I can tackle all of my cooking projects quickly and easily. Okay, so I'm kind of embarrassed to show you this drawer, and as you can see, there's really no rhyme or reason to it, so trying to find what I need is not so easy, and every time I open and close the drawer, things fall over, they get kind of messy. The same with the drawer below it. Let's take a look at that. This drawer is not quite as bad as the one above it, but it definitely could use some straightening up. Well, I need to do something with this crazy, messy, mixed-up drawer, and I found some bins in our playroom that our kids are no longer using for their toys. Let's see if I can bring some order to this drawer. So as you can see, by repurposing the bins, I've now neatly arranged all of my prep bowls, my measuring cups, my choppers, so that I can just reach down and grab what I need when I need it. Let's take a look at how the other drawer came out. As you can see, the mixing bowls, the liquid measuring cups, and the strainers are all easy to see. These are just a few tricks to help you to lay out your kitchen drawers in a way that's more efficient for your cooking needs. For more practical tips, visit thepracticalsort.com, and there you will find my weekly practical tips along with my monthly blog for more strategies to help to get you sorted. See you next time.